If, you know, if there was one thing a new therapist should know going into this field, right? What would you have a new therapist kind of have top of mind
It's a
in the work
great
they're doing?
question. I think there's one thing that really sticks to me because it's what I experienced as a trainee, and I had a beautiful lesson in it, is that we call it in therapy rupture and repair. And the idea is that part of the healing that can happen is when the client and therapist have a rupture, have a disagreement, have a
Mm-hmm.
moment where they don't seem to see eye to eye, where the client may feel misunderstood, where the client may be upset with the therapist, and how it could be actually such a blessing to have that rupture because you have a chance to correct it. You have a chance to do something that they might not have an opportunity to do outside of the therapy room in their life, because people might just block them, they might just escape or run away. And to be able to actually see that as something really a big part of therapy is like, this is where the work can really happen sometimes. Because I know when you're first starting out, that's like probably your biggest fear. And I think also, I didn't realize, and I'm still learning this because I'm still a new clinician, is how certain things can take so much time. How you think you're not doing much with the client, you think that there's not too much
Mm-hmm.
progress. And then a year goes by, 2 years go by, and suddenly they open up in ways that you never expected. And they experience things they never expected to experience. Humility of like, you just don't know. It's bigger than you. You're trying to set up the best situation for that to happen, but you're less in control than you think. And so be more okay with the dance rather than, because I know myself, I still get in my head of like, I need to give them the answer. I need to cure uh, the person from all their, fears and sadness or whatever it is.
Absolutely.